I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
Would they want to hit a base hit? They hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
Good morning, you beautiful people out there watching us here with Elite Trading every day, coming in, checking out the trade ideas. We have had a great morning this morning because why are we waking up to? DKS, Dick's Sporting Goods, blowing it away on the earnings, and we are exploding out to these new highs and just crushing it. So I'm loving the DKS trade. We told you 108. 108 was the call to get in on that one, and we're going to pull up the charts and show you what this bad boy's doing since that play that we had with our ODO bracket engaged on the chart here. So give me 1 second, and we will pull that up. Hope you're having a blessed day, staying in the green, keep watching, smash that like, and here we go. Well, take a look at this bad boy chart here. You can see where the entry point is at the 108.41. Excited about this trade. Just there's not much to say other than when they break out like this and you get that play that really works out for you. We get asked by our group. We had a member in our group say, how did you come up with this play? So if you guys want, I do have a video where I talked about it on Benzinga, and we had a live where I had some trade ideas. I went over that one, Nike, Moderna, a couple other ones. And the reason why I was bullish Dick's Sporting Goods on that show, what I told everyone, and the reason why I went with this trade was because I believed in the earnings based off of sports being active right now for fall sports. You have a lot of fall sports where there's a lot of equipment being bought, a lot of athletic gear, kids going back to school, they buy shoes there, you can buy athletic clothing for school, gym class, sporting events, everything like that. Then you also have the hunting aspect, you have guns, you have all that stuff going on for them. You have Under Armour, you have helmets, you have footballs, you have kayaks, all the summer stuff that was getting bought. Now you have people coming in. It's just, I knew that there was going to be a surge for that trade or for that store, because a lot of people I know, they quit going on planes, they quit flying, they went to the camping world, they were going and camping. They wanted to get gear for the camping this year, and they skipped the beach. So let's see what else we have, because that trade's over with. So we got to talk AMC if we're going to talk about anything today, because AMC and DraftKings blasted off. You had your big movement. We called it out yesterday on 2 days ago on AMC, saying that we think they were going to go to 37 when we were at 36. So this is the trade we put on. We didn't get to hold it through the big play, but we did have a position like this, very similar, and then once it blasted through after we got out, we realized, okay, hold on, it's not dipping, and we kept getting back in and getting out with stop losses in place, and just came in with a trade mentality, very tight stop loss, looking for that quick potential upside, maybe $1 or $2 at a time. So that really worked out for us. It was a great trade. Excited about that one. Drop your tickers, hit that like I said. If you can, drop your tickers in the chat. The chat that we're following is on the Elite Trading YouTube channel, not the Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, jump over to YouTube, hit that like on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. You'll get the alerts for these videos, and please drop your tickers in there. We want to know what stocks you're watching. Put them in the chat, let us know, and I'll pull them up on the chart and give you levels if you so need. GME, same thing. So once you saw AMC ripping out, you had to understand that there's a sympathy play with GameStop and with AMC. And once you get into these trades, you can understand how they have these relationships. So what I would notice is that GameStop has a significantly higher rise, more potential to have a bigger swings than AMC. So maybe you would possibly want to go long one position and then go short the other. And you could pair these two together. The way that I would do it would be, let's say that I'm long the calls on GameStop, and then I would sell the calls on AMC and let them play out to see how that works. That could be a way to do it. If I'm holding shares for AMC, you could write a couple of calls and then also play the GameStop play as well. So there's different strategies that you can execute with these different types of stocks. Moving on, let's look at the LVS trade, because I know some people got caught up in this one, but they've had a nice significant run since that 36. So if you're looking to get in now, I think that it's a little too late to the party, but I could be wrong. I would like to see a pullback again to 41, 41.30, maybe take a shot right around that area with a stop loss under 40.50, something that would look similar to this if they get that pullback. If they don't, then you just got to kind of take your shot, I guess. So here we go, something like that. If they can pull back down to here, that would be my entry. So let me pull up and show you. Let's see, let's go back here real quick. Let's pull up and see what's popping this morning in the pre-market session. We have the pre-market highs that I can see. Top gainers, LWAC Locust Walk. Never heard of this one. Up from $8.76 to $23, 197 million in market cap. And why is this SPAC surging today? Benzinga, thank you for this. Couldn't do it without you guys. You guys are great. Partnered up with Benzinga, and if you don't have them on your side, I suggest that you get in there and take a look at our links for Benzinga Pro. And even if you're just looking for the news sources, I recommend just getting the ideas and getting that quick news source from Benzinga. So looks like they have a Wednesday morning after the merger with Effector Therapeutics. So we have a merger with LWAC. So that one's being affected big time right here, up $14, 166% in the pre-market. Doesn't look like a stock I want to trade though. The fun is over. RGC, Regional Bioscience, price $15 at the close. Pre-market, it's up to 2023, up 32%. And now you've got the pop culture CPOP, and then SPRT was the last one, support. So is the next one? Sorry, SPRT. So we got LWAC, RGC, and then SPRT. I know support was one that was getting shouted out by our group members. They liked the short squeeze mentality of the stocks that were rising. Thought it would be maybe a big runner. But on this list you have CPOP, DKS, like we had, 14% up from 114 to 130. Great trade, and excited about today's trading today. So looking at, we're hitting some support in the pre-market on the Dow. SPY bouncing, not making a lower low. It failed to make a lower low just now. 447.61, 447.75. Now we come back to 448, and then let's see how that goes. Any stocks you guys want to look at? Anything you guys got for us here? If you're coming in as a new trader and you happen to be coming onto our show and you're watching, you're like, you know what, I don't know how to even start this thing. Well, mention us, drop me a private message, and we can get you set up with free stocks for signing up with a brokerage. We can show you how to apply for options trading, how to get level 2 quotes. Little things like that will help get you started, get you into the game at least. If you want to get started into the game, you want to learn about it, you want to figure it out without having to do it all on your own, it's easier to have someone walk you through. We can screen share, have a meeting, set you up with whoever you want to work with, and then we can get you guys going on your elite trading course. And you can follow through with the course. If you can follow through with the course material, you can watch the trainings, and you can start trading a little smarter, a little faster, a little better. And even just getting started might be something that you're interested in. You just want to get the chance or the opportunity to be into the trading world. And it's not that scary. I mean, you don't have to have hundreds of thousands of dollars, $50,000. You don't have to have that kind of money. I mean, to be a successful day trader, they tell you need to have about a $200,000 account. But to really get involved in investing, or even just being a part of the culture, understanding the lingo, understanding where your money is going, the flow of a market, and why they were created, and what it means to trade, period, even just buying and owning a share of things like that. Companies that you care about, you spend a lot of money with these companies, why not benefit from them continuing to do better? So this could be a good eye-opener for you. So please join in with us. Please get into the Discord. Set yourself up with an account. We'll get you all set up. It's free to get you signed up with a broker. We can get you signed up. It's just like opening up a bank account or an advanced email account, and then you have access to some information, and then you can start learning through that information. So appreciate you. Have a blessed day. Stay in the green, my friends. I hope today's session is great for you. I hope you guys trade well. Jump in our boiler room. If you're in the Discord, paid members, get past that paid wall if you're not, and you jump into boiler room and you can talk trades live with us as we see the charts moving. Sip some coffee, hang out, get that morning brew, and get going. So we'll see you soon. Stay green, my friends. Stay blessed.